We're in the backyard today. We got to get that pergola up so I can build the farm table for the outside.
Or whatever we wind up putting out here. I feel like I'm not really gonna know what's gonna be out here until I get the pergola up and I get like a vision. Then I'll get like a rug and go from there. I can never decorate or design all in one. I have to see like layer by layer by layer. So
pergola first.
Box one. This set's from Costco. We got it on sale. It was like $1,299 on sale originally, $14.99. It's a 14 by 12 gazebo, and it's the absolute least expensive option for shade that looks nice in our backyard. I priced out things on every website, and Costco really did have the best deal, and they're not paying me to say that. Plus, I know it's well made because I have a friend that has one. It's held up really well. You'll notice that the cement, it's kind of gross. It's on the list. We're gonna power wash the cement and clean it up really good before we put down our rug and start furnishing it. Plus we'll have to get rid of, like, clean the fence, things like that. And the grass situation, we're gonna be working on that. So you might get a few videos of us just doing some outdoor stuff, decorating, fixing the grass, planting some pots. We'll see what we got.
When it's all said and done, this is what we hope it looks like. Box number one has instructions in it and a lot of pieces. I'm gonna get these all unpacked and laid out so that I can kind of see them. They're numbered on the ends, so it should be easy enough to lay them out and keep them organized. Hey Jack, can you help me out and pick up those scraps in the trash? We're going to set it next to that one right there. Next to it, because it's not the same piece. So let's set it right next to it close. Set it close. You get that one all on your own?
Yeah, but I can't place it down.
Okay, I'll stack it, because there's a bunch of these.
We got it all unloaded. Now it's time to build. We got like all of our tools all set. And now it's time to build.
He's excited. He loves building with me. So first things first, it says to put the feet together on these big support pillars. So we got some metal brackets that are used to anchor this to the concrete. And we're gonna do that first, and much to my chagrin, we're gonna follow the instruction. Everything's nicely labeled in these individual packages, so the hardware is easy to find. Okay, you go. Screw that in with your tool.
The first part build, but not the full part.
No, I don't know if we'll even get this done today. Maybe with your help.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm helping, so we can get this done.
Only have to do this 4 times, and then the post will be ready.
Okay.
That's why kits are great.
Yeah, I'm helping now.
So what I need you to do is hold this beam from falling over while I put this up there.
So I'm just holding this.
For now.
All right. Don't break yourself.
I'll try not to.
Or break me.
Alright, we skipped some steps in between, but I figure putting these beams together wasn't really super exciting, and you guys get the picture.
This is way more exciting right here. I mean, this is prime time drama. It's exciting to me.
We've been calling it a pergola, when in fact it's a pavilion. We didn't realize we upgraded to the covered roof and not just the slatted roof.
Well, I realized it. I just thought it was called the same thing.
No, they're different.
It's a pavilion.
Okay, don't let that side fall. I'm gonna go lift this one up.
All right.
Whew, I'm ready for a nap.
Whatever. You're only ready for a nap because I just made you a sandwich. It was a good sandwich too.
Jamie thinks we can get this whole thing built today, in one day.
I have faith in you. Don't you want a wife that has faith in you?
No, it's amazing. The faith is great. I love that you think I can do it.
I know you can.
All right. Okay, so you keep holding these from falling over. You might have to put some oomph in it. I haven't tightened anything up. If they start leaning, you're gonna have to really hold it up.
I'm doing my thing. I feel like this is gonna go pretty fast now.
Hopefully.
But there are quite a few parts. We're gonna put the roof up.
That's what I'm talking about. There's a lot of ladder work coming.
I'm thinking this video might go up Friday, and Friday's video go up Saturday.
Yep. I think you're right. Alright,
Yeah,
you holding it?
that one needs to go back a little. It's like at a weird angle, like kick the face of that.
Yeah, I will. So all the support braces are up and on, and it is almost 4 o'clock. I don't know if this is gonna happen all today. This might trickle into tomorrow. There's still a lot of wood left down on the ground here. Well, it's 5 o'clock and I'm getting around to building the rafters. I just might make it. I don't know if I'm gonna get all the roofing on though, because I still have to attach the aluminum top to this. I've replaced Jack with my other helper. Jack got tired. Wave, Eliza. Jack spilled all the sockets out, and so she's organizing them right now. Next up is the paneling on the roof. I'm hoping Jamie and I are able to poke the roof up on the top once we get it all finished. We'll see. I might have to call on a neighbor. Got all the aluminum on the rafters, just adding this little piece of trim here. That holds a seal for the top in the middle where the two pieces of roof join, and then we'll be able to put this up on there.
We're gonna raise the roof, and
it's only 7:30, you know.
Well, I told you we could complete this in one day. This is Zeb trying to put the roof on by himself. I helped a little, but I think our neighbor's coming to save the day because Zeb apparently thinks he's He-Man.
Look, it's up.
It's up-ish.
It's up.
Yeah, the real trick is gonna be getting that side up because that's my neighbor's yard over there.
That's all right. They don't care if we go over in their yard for a minute.
That's gonna be interesting.
It's taller than I remember in Costco.
Well, at least it's up, that half.
Yeah, we just gotta align a couple things and put some screws in now.
Mm-hmm. We instituted some help from the neighbors.
All right, hang on. Well, give me just a second. Okay, gotta sit up here.
Too bad there's nobody here filming when I was helping you. Nobody will ever know.
Hang on.
Should we get Jeanette? She's taller.
She's not home right now.
Alright, I think you got it up there, right?
Is that,
Almost there, but not quite.
is that sitting, it's resting up on there mostly?
The roof is
I don't
on.
think it would go anywhere. I'll clamp it. All right, guys, thank you.
Wave hi, Logan. Hi, Matt. Best neighbors ever.
So with the help of Jamie and Jack and a couple of neighbors to put one of the roof pieces on, we were able to get this pavilion done yesterday. It finished about 10:30 last night. It's the morning after because obviously we couldn't film in the dark.
We're gonna do a lot of really fun ideas underneath. I can't decide if I wanna do like a sectional or a farm table, indoor, outdoor rug, so comment below with what you'd like to see us decorate and show you guys how to do. Be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Jami Ray Vintage for more
DIY.
Hit the subscribe button.